दोनच पाहिजे होता त्यांना आज फोटो दाखवतो मी तुम्हाला एवढा ठीक आहे कोविड सेंटर
करायलाच पाहिजे.
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 आयुक्त
हाय हाय
आयुक्त
हाय हाय
आयुक्त
हाय हाय
आयुक्त
हाय हाय
कोविड सेंटर
करायलाच पाहिजे.
कोविड सेंटर
Welcome to News for You India. MNS party workers protested outside Vasai Virar Municipal Commissioner office today. They had come to meet the commissioner to highlight the plight of the citizens admitted at Varun Industrial Estate Quarantine Center. We have already highlighted the issues faced at the newly opened quarantine center in Valev. However, let's look at some facts. The quarantine center at Varun Industrial Estate in Valev has resumed operations just few days back. Hence, like it happens always in India with all government institutions, there are always some issues or other initially. However, since this is a medical quarantine center, if there was shortage of staff, the center should have not started operations till they were resolved. We have learned from reliable sources that due to huge surge in number of new cases, the existing quarantine centers are running at full capacity. Hence, this could be the reason for the opening of the quarantine center. Food is supplied by various NGOs led by Samadhan. We all know who runs Samadhan. So any delay in supply of food is due to delay on part of these NGOs. But that does not mean municipal corporation is not at blame. The NGOs are supplying food as social service, so the coordination and responsibility of it reaching on time is with the corporation. Also, the reason NGOs are providing food is because corporation decided to charge 200 rupees per day for food to patients admitted, and not all could afford the same. All other issues related to supply of drinking water, on-duty doctors, cleaning of quarantine center is the responsibility of the municipal corporation. And irrespective how old the center is, the corporation has failed to fulfill their responsibility in this particular case. Who is to be blamed for this mess in Vasai Virar region? Gangadharan D, who is the municipal commissioner, was appointed as commissioner in early April when we were already under lockdown, and ever since his appointment, he has been at loggerheads with BVA, who have been ruling the corporation for a long period of time. Hence, the commissioner cannot be blamed for the near zero health infrastructure in the municipality. Yes, the decision on charging for food was taken by the commissioner, but we don't know under what circumstances he was forced to take this decision. Since it's not even been 6 months since the commissioner took charge, we need to give him time and benefit of doubt and have faith in him. Yes, there will always be issues when we are fighting a pandemic at such large scale, but we should judge him from the fact whether he was able to resolve them or not. Sameer Aluwalia reporting for News for You India.
बोलवते त्याला कोणाला बोलवायचं त्याला लाव सगळे बोलवा सगळ्यांना बोलव तुला जेवढ्यांना बोलवता येतात मी बोलवले तर 1000 लोक येतील लक्षात ठेव का तुला शिवसेनेचे लागतात का हा सांग चाले चाले भाड्या चाले इंचो दलाल महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेनेचा महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेनेचा महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेनेचा दाखव व्हिडिओ मध्ये फक्त त्याला